What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, so let's get straight into this amazing install. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed with this hair. Oh my god, it is from African Mall, and they have hair and clothes and everything you need and more. Okay, I am using this Brazilian straight hair, and it is in 16 inches, I believe. This is 16-inch wig, yes, lace front, and it does come with a natural hairline and all of that. But y'all know I've been trying out new methods like bleaching my knots and plucking my hairline, and I will be doing that today as well. So I'm using this CW2 bleaching powder with my 30 vial developer from Salon Care, and I'm just making a nice thick mixture in order to put on my knots, just to make them blend in with my skin tone a lot more. This process is not that difficult. I get a lot of questions like, is this hard? Not at all, actually. There's a lot of videos on how to do it. I did go to cosmetology school, so I do know how to work with bleach. But yeah, I also wash the hair with Shimmer Lights shampoo, purple shampoo, just to bring the orange, like bronzy tones out of brassy tones out of the knots after you bleach them. You don't want them to be like orange, you know. So yeah, after it's all washed, I am just sectioning the hair, like the frontal off, so I can start plucking. And I like really try to take my time again. Like, I've been trying some new methods, and the plucking have been a process, but honestly, it was worth it because this hairline looked amazing after I got done. I just took my time, sectioned these 3 sections off, and then sectioned from there, like starting from the back and working my way up towards right where the hairline is, and pretty much just pluck what you think you need to pluck. I feel like it's not really, I don't even know how to explain that. Like, pluck what you see and try to make the frontal less dense than it is, like to make a more natural hairline, you know. So as you can see, it's thinning out. It's not looking as bulky as much, like it's looking like less hair is there. And you want that effect because it gives a more natural, like, hey, that might be her scalp, like that might be her hair type of feel, you know. So yeah, you just want to pluck away. Don't think you're like plucking too much, you know. You can overpluck, but I would just say don't do it in the same spot a million times, then you're gonna get bald spots. You want to keep working your way down the subsection. And then after everything was all plucked, this is me just showing, look at how much more natural that is looking. I actually was so obsessed with how this came out. The hairline looks amazing. This is after I washed and let the hair just sit and dry overnight, and I'm just straightening it. I did put a little bit of oil, like some hair oil in the hair. I just wanted it to be kind of heavy because of the style I'm doing, not too like greasy or anything like that, but because I'm doing a flip, I needed it to be straight, but I needed it to be bone straight to where like it needs to sit, you know what I'm saying? So I did cut it as well because I thought I wanted 16 inches for a flip, but you really only need like 10 depending on how you want it to sit on your shoulders or whatever. I didn't want it to sit right on my shoulders. I did want it to be a little past. So this is me like putting the hair together, making sure it's like even, you know. You don't want the flip to be super uneven because then it's just gonna look weird. And that's what happened. Like, when I cut it on my head, I'm like, dude, no, let me take this off and cut it on the mannequin head. And then I got it nice and even and put it back on, and now I'm just parting my hair. I know I want a deep part, and I want that like swoop type of thing going on my forehead. I've like never done a style like this before. Y'all know I just love curly hair because it's so easy. I don't have to do anything with it, but like this was something different for me, and I like did a photo shoot in this hair, so I wanted it to be really cute. So I love the way it turned out. I'm just cutting my ear tabs. This part is like, I feel like it way better when you do it before you cut all your lace and stuff. You just want to make sure the ear tabs are even and like feel comfortable around your ear. You don't want it to be bugging you and stuff like that. And then I just proceeded to cut the rest of my lace off. I've been doing it before I glue down my wigs just because honestly I've seen more people do it this way, and I actually really like it. It's easier to apply, to be honest. Like, I don't have to try to cut it while I glued it on, and then it's like coming up and stuff. So this is a lot easier. Plus you can see the hair better when it's like this. So you can like cut really ragged, and you don't want your lace to be straight as well. So as you can see, I didn't even glue it down yet, and it looks natural right here. Like I think I would put this wig on without gluing it. Like I would really attempt that, like maybe put some edge control to hold it down. It's all up to you. I did wear this wig for a few days now. Like I've had it on for a few days, so I wanted it to be more stuck than just applying a little bit of edge control to keep it down. So yeah, I'm just using my Got2b. Y'all know I've been liking that better than the adhesives because they're really harsh, and I'm trying to keep my edges, you feel me? So yeah, I'm just making sure the lace is all melted into my skin pretty much. I'm using a little rat tail comb and just taking it section by section to just press into my skin. You do want to wait for the glue to get a little bit tacky so it doesn't just slide all around your head and stuff. But as you can see, it's looking really natural and cute. I'm already obsessed. I was like, oh yeah, this that one, you feel me? I tied that down and let it sit for about 10 minutes just to make sure everything was dried and stuff. And I took my little scarf off, and now is the part where I'm like about to mold down my little bang thing I got going. So I'm just using some mousse to make sure everything is nice and slicked down. And then I'm just gonna comb everything through. Like after I apply some mousse, I'm just combing it through, applying more mousse, combing it through. And at first I'm like, oh, I should apply some Got2b spray or whatever, but I didn't want this part to be crunchy. So like I didn't want it to be like, oh, she has spritz in her hair, you know. So I just the mousse actually worked really good. Since this is straight hair, it just laid right down how I wanted it to. And I'm just bobby pinning that side down, so then I can just take this part that's gonna be straight to like hide that pretty much. And I did get inspo from a YouTuber. I'm gonna link her video down below too, because she actually explained all of this really well as well. So yeah, you gotta give credit where it's due, sis. She really helped me out. She came through or whatever. So yeah, this style, I was already like, dang, I keep it like this. It's cute, you feel me? But I'm like, let me do my little 90s vibe, my little flip, you feel me? So yeah, I'm just cutting a little bit of edges. I was gonna leave it, but I'm like, dude, I like never do edges no more. So I just did a tiny little swoop here. It wasn't nothing crazy. It was still on the natural side. You know, I didn't do a whole like shape or nothing like that. And now I'm coming to the flip, and this is where it started getting real, y'all. Like I'm one of them people that's like a perfectionist, and I needed this to be perfect. So I didn't like where it was sitting, so I cut it some more. And then I went back and flipped it again. And that length was everything. I'm like, oh yeah, this is it, okay? Then fast forward to next day, and I did my little makeup or whatever. And oh my God, y'all showed me so much love on my Instagram. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just include this whole video into my YouTube video. So yeah, if you haven't seen this already, here it is. I just did a no shadow, no highlighter, like just a matte face. I got inspiration from Blushed by Sammy on Instagram, and she did this on one of her clients. Oh my God, I was obsessed with a red lip. And I'm like, oh, I'm doing this flipped wig, girl. I had to do it, okay? It was a must. And y'all know I had to add some glitter though. Like that had to happen. You already know. So yeah, just a red lip, you know, gold glitter underneath. You can like change the lip, change the glitter how you like, but I thought this would be really cute for prom, really cute for actually any type of day. I mean, it's just a natural face with a little bit of pop, you know. And this hair was just, it was life. I'm not gonna lie, like the flip really did something to me. I got compliments everywhere I went. It's like one of those hairstyles that's like never gonna go out of style, I feel like, because like everybody knows this style and the time that it was popular in, and it's like, this is such a vibe. This is a oldie but a goodie, you know, and I feel like it's never gonna go out of style. But yeah, I hope you all really enjoyed this makeup, really enjoyed this hair install. Let me know if you would try this or wear this. It's definitely one that I feel like a lot of people would love to try out, because it is simple, but it's simple while making a statement, you know. So yeah, Let me know in the comments below if you would really like rock this, sis. Okay, like rock it, wear it, do that, you know. I hope y'all enjoyed this video so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.